VOO or VTI. Two of the most searched investing questions on the internet. Most people spend months debating this. Most of them miss the more important point entirely. VOO tracks the S&P 500, the 500 largest US companies. VTI tracks the total US stock market, approximately 4,000 companies. Both are index funds from Vanguard. That is where most comparisons start and stop too early. When you buy VOO, you are heavily concentrated in the largest companies. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Alphabet. The top 10 holdings make up over 35% of the entire fund. When you buy VTI, you get the same large companies as VOO at the top, plus mid-cap companies, plus small-cap companies. The same 500 giants plus 3,500 more. Here is what most comparisons skip. By market cap weighting, VOO and VTI are approximately 82% identical. When large companies dominate the market, both funds move almost together. Expense ratio, VOO 0.03%, VTI 0.03%. On a $10,000 investment, both cost $3 per year. Cost is not the differentiator here. 10-year total return comparison. The two lines are nearly indistinguishable. The cumulative performance difference over a decade, less than 1%. That is not a rounding error. That is almost nothing. VOO edges ahead when large-cap tech companies dominate the market. When Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia surge, VOO's higher concentration in them gives it a slight lead. VTI edges ahead when smaller companies recover faster than large caps. The wider net catches gains that VOO's S&P 500 concentration misses. Both funds are market cap weighted. The biggest companies get the most influence, which is why a 0.5% move in Apple moves both VOO and VTI, not just VOO. VTI gives you insurance against a decade where mega cap companies stagnate at zero extra cost. If the next 10 years look like the 2000s instead of the 2010s, VTI's wider net matters more. The S&P 500 is more concentrated in fewer companies than at any point in modern history. The top 10 holdings now represent over 35% of VOO. That is a risk worth understanding. Tax efficiency both are among the most tax-efficient funds available. Low turnover, minimal capital gains distributions. For taxable accounts, this is essentially a tie. 20 years. $10,000. VOO. Approximately $38,697. VTI. Approximately $38,800. The historical difference on a $10,000 investment over 20 years, about $103. The honest answer. VTI is marginally better on paper, slightly more diversification at the same cost. But the choice between these two will not determine your financial future. Something else will. What actually determines your outcome? Investing consistently every month matters 100 times more than which fund you pick. Starting early matters 50 times more. VOO versus VTI matters almost not at all. The researcher has been comparing VOO and VTI for 6 months. $0 invested. The investor picked VTI on day 1 and automated it. 6 months later, $4,620 growing. The wrong fund invested beats the right fund, not invested every single time. 2 rules that matter more than this entire comparison. Pick one today. Automate the contribution, never stop. Follow both rules and the fund choice becomes almost irrelevant in 10 years. If forced to choose inside a retirement account, both are equal, pick whichever is available. In a taxable brokerage, VTI has a slight diversification edge. If you want to think about it less VTI. Broader market, same cost, done. One more thing. Both VOO and VTI are 100% US stocks. If you want global diversification, add VXUS alongside either one. VTI plus VXUS covers the entire world stock market from 2 low-cost funds. The real comparison. VOO, over 20 years at $500 per month, $261,000. VTI, $262,000. Not investing zero. The comparison that matters is not VOO versus VTI. Performance difference negligible. Expense ratio difference zero. Diversification VTI is slightly broader. Winner whichever one you actually buy today and automate every month for the next 20 years. The only investing mistake worse than picking the wrong fund is using the research process as a reason not to start. Open the account today. Buy one of them today. Automate it today. 3 actions before this video ends. Open a brokerage account if you do not have one. Search VTI or VOO and buy. Set up a recurring monthly purchase on payday. 1 hour. The rest is time. Subscribe to Wealth Construct. Drop a comment VOO or VTI. Or if you chose neither and just picked one and started, that is the right answer. New videos every week. The real math. Always. I'm Professor Alex. This is Wealth Construct. Wealth Construct. The real math. Always.